Hi, welcome to the Business Financial Network. Today, we're delving into a mining stock. Since overall performance of the minerals and metals sector have been improving in 2021, the outlook for the producers are positive. Hence, we want to focus primarily on this unique company in our new mining-focused series called Groundbreakers. Here, we stay committed to keeping our trading club members and viewers abreast on today's top undiscovered, underexposed, undervalued, brand new asset classes and emerging issuers in the world's markets. Please note, all the information being shared is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the Business Financial Network are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep winning though, you gotta keep watching. We appreciate your time here at the Business Financial Network and encourage you to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your alerts. We'll see you on the other side.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. And today we're going to be focusing on an emerging issuer in the exciting and highly demanding lithium mining sector. And the company is called Portofino Resources, trading on the TSX Venture under the symbol POR, on the Frankfurt under the symbol POTA, and on the OTC in the US trading under PFFOF. And recently, this company has acquired a property in Argentina. Just today, they dropped some news about this successful geophysical survey, and we're going to get right into their brand new deck that they just updated their shareholders with. A Canadian-based company focused on the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral projects in the Americas. Their forward-looking statement: why Portofino Resources? World-renowned property and top-tier management. A surging demand. The green revolution is creating a surge in demand for electronic vehicles, which is pushing the need for new sources of lithium and other battery metals. I hope that the folks watching this are aware that this new revolution is here to stay, and there's many people currently seeking to get into an electric vehicle. The strategic asset that they acquired, the Yurgo lithium property in Argentina, they have an opportunity to buy 100% of interest in the project, located within the South America's lithium triangle, which is estimated to host about 54% of the world's lithium resources. So right off the bat, when you see the list of countries by production of lithium, Argentina is fourth in the world. So this gives way to a tremendous amount of stored value. Moving right along here, this location that's in Argentina is within 15 kilometers of another TSX Venture mining entity, NLC, that's currently has a market cap of $383 million. And it's only 15 kilometers away. Wow. They have an extremely strong management team in both Canada and Argentina with significant experience in the resources industry, and their near-term catalysts are to follow up on previous success with drilling in Q2 of 2021. Why lithium, you ask? A surge in global electric vehicle demand. The electric vehicle boom is about to kick into overdrive. As an integral component of batteries, EV companies will need lithium to keep up with the demand. So there's a little chart here that is from Bloomberg that forecasts the annual global electric vehicle sales from 2017 to 2030, which they're estimating will be 24.4 million, and it's color-coded by country. Seems like China has the highest demand. I would say second is the US. The EV global market is growing fast. It was estimated at 140 billion USD in 2019 and is expected to reach 700 billion by 2026. And this is at an annual compound growth rate of 22% from 2019 to 2026. And these figures are coming from the global electric vehicles market industry size, share trends, and growth analysis and forecasts from 2020 to 2026. And it states right there, global electric vehicles market projected to reach 700 billion USD by 2026. So this is a tremendous amount of stored value. Current lithium prices support faster production. Now, here's the current lithium price. I looked at this in February. Wow. Look at where it was in February. Now look where it is 2 months later. Unreal, right? So Tesla CEO Elon Musk wants to speed up the production from 500K cars in 2020 to 20 million cars by 2027, but production costs are holding the company back. And lithium prices, as you just saw, are half of 2018 highs and incredibly cost efficient right now. Let's look into this article on mining.co. All the mines that Tesla needs to build 20 million cars a year. And this was from January 27, 2021. And this website is using the data from Adamus Intelligence, which tracks the demand for EV batteries by chemistry, cell supplier, and capacity in over 90 countries to calculate the deployment of raw materials in Tesla cars on a sales-weighted basis in 2020. By extrapolating those numbers, the company's use of raw materials, if it was producing 20 million cars a year instead of the 500,000 vehicles it made last year, was determined. So this is the breakdown of the material required, the amount produced in 2019 in tons, and the percentage of production that it would need to produce the 20 million cars. And as you can see, lithium in 2019, 77,000 tons, not enough. It would need 65% more to be able to complete just Tesla's supply for demand in building 20 million cars. And let's be obvious here, Tesla's not the only company needing lithium. So the EV push is government supported. President Biden has vowed to replace the US government's fleet of roughly 650,000 vehicles with electric models and build 550,000 EV charging stations by 2030. So this article was published on March 18th, 2021. As you can see here, Reuters was a source. CNBC also reported on it. The US government is working to help American miners and battery makers expand into Canada, part of a strategy to boost regional production of minerals used to make electric vehicles and counter Chinese dominance. On Thursday, the US Department of Commerce is hosting a closed-door virtual meeting with miners and battery manufacturers to discuss ways to boost Canadian production of EV materials, according to the documents seen by Reuters. The move comes as demand for electrified transportation is set to surge over the next decade. Wow, oh wow. So that means that this is not only a supply and demand issue when it comes to industry, it's also political. That's huge, huge opportunity. Now let's look at the map a little bit of this property that they have. Again, they're specifying where Lithium, a $383 million market capped entity, is in proximity to their Urgo property. So that's good. They're giving us some saturation of their initial drilling results of lithium, potassium, and magnesium. And this is a satellite picture of the vicinity. It looks like with similar geological histories, it's very likely that the Urgo project is similarly enriched in lithium and potassium. More details, they're giving their investors a breakdown of the two identifiable large geophysical surveyed drilling maps of this property. And their near-term catalysts are to conduct initial drill programs to evaluate the volumes of both lithium and potassium based on their surveying. They also plan on commencing these drills by May 2021. That's great. That's awesome. It's really fast. And in conjunction with that initial drill program, they also have the intention to use certain breakthrough green tech lithium ion exchange technologies to be ecologically friendly and cost efficient to extract the lithium. This is their strong leadership team. It seems like all of these executives have a tremendous amount of experience and success behind them, both in Canada and in Argentina. You could find this investors deck on their website at portofinoresources.com. And they have comparables. Great. That's awesome. So I wanted to note, Portofino has multiple projects here, and one of their projects is a gold project in Red Lake, Ontario. And that project is in the same vicinity as another TSX company on the venture that has a market cap of 900 million plus and a current share price of $15. It currently has a project that's very close to their Red Lake project in Portofino. So that's added value. That's added value. I just want to note that. As you can see here, this is Portofino on the lithium scale valuation in relative to its peers. This is Lithium, the same entity that has that $383 million market cap that's 15 kilometers away. This is their share structure. As you can see here, 104 million shares issued and outstanding, 600K in the bank. Their market cap is relatively low. I wanted to note that their closest peer to them has a 200 million share float. That's half. They're half that. So that's also another key factor. And kudos by them. And now let's get a little bit into the security now. So here is POR on the TSX Venture. Let's look for the 12.5 cent to hold and for more bullish price action to continue. So let's look at the Frankfurt symbol, POTA. Look for more accumulation below 0.09 and watch for the volume to step in and push the price above 0.09. Okay. I believe that the American symbol would also experience the same type of analysis in terms of, as you can see, pretty identical when it comes to the trading patterns. So look for the support to hold and for more bullish price action to continue. We here at the BFN are in the opinion this is a stock to put on your watch list and pay attention to. We thank all of our viewers for spending the time with us here to review this company today. We believe that this is a company that is going to be experience some bullish price action, and we recommend that you put it on your watch list. I'd like to remind all the viewers to note that all the information being shared here is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the BFN are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep on winning though, you got to keep on watching. We appreciate your time here at the BFN, and we encourage all of you to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your alerts. This is Roger Chowdhury signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. God bless.